I am a foodie that I have spent years hunting down London's best street food, and today I'm sharing my ultimate list of 15 dishes that you must try. I am London spoiled, and this is vlog episode 4. If you live in London or you just visit, these dishes are a must try at least once. First up, my favorite food market, and in my opinion the most underrated in London, is the one in Victoria Park. It is open every Sunday from 10 am to 4 pm. The first thing I check every time I go is whether the legendary Italian Porchetta sandwich is there. If it is, go fast because it sells out by noon. This sandwich, which makes me drool just thinking about it, is full of slow-cooked meat that melts in your mouth. It is a celebration of Italian cuisine and its emphasis on high-quality ingredients. I just love it. And for those who believe there are no such thing as too much meat, Pig's Organic Farm serves up their legendary Challenger burger. This isn't just a burger, it's a meaty monster, stuck with sausage, crispy bacon, a fried egg, melted cheese and a juicy patty, all sandwiched between fresh soft bread with a collection of sauces to choose from. For meat lovers, it is also a great opportunity to shop from their selection of fresh premium cuts, which are some of the best ones you can find in London. Don't think that there aren't vegetarian alternatives. Next up, No Such Mushroom, my absolute must-stop. This guy doesn't just sell mushrooms, he offers boxes packed with the freshest, most unique mushrooms you will ever taste. I never live without one. But the real star, his grilled pita, stuffed with mushrooms, caramelized onions, melted cheddar and a sprinkle of secret seasoning. Yes, it's vegetarian, but trust me, it's incredibly rich and full of flavor. Even die-hard meat lovers will be fighting for a bite. Pro tip, get there early or you will miss out. This pita sells out fast and I'm not kidding, I still dream about it. Finally, don't skip Istanbul gozleme, hopefully I pronounced it correctly, a newer addition to the market that is already crowd favorite. This Turkish flatbread is made fresh right in front of your eyes, filled with ingredients of your choosing. I go for spinach and chicken and cheese. It's crispy, it's cheesy, it is full of flavor, and honestly, it's the kind of dish that makes you want to come back again. As I said before, Victoria Park Market is my favorite food market in London. It's lively but not overwhelming, busy enough to feel buzzing but you won't spend half of your day waiting in lines. It has a huge collection of canteens and British formats. I have tried almost everything here and I have never had a bad bite. Just go and trust me, your taste buds will thank me. Next stop, the most famous food market in London. Right in the heart of London, just steps from London Bridge, Borough Market is one of the world's most famous food destinations, and for good reason. Open 6 days a week, closed Mondays from 10 am to 5 pm. This historic market has been food lovers' heaven since 1756. Yes, it's that old. Pro tip, visit it between 10 am and 11 am. Walking into Borough Market feels like stepping into a living, breathing food storybook. If you are agoraphobic, don't visit it. But if not, then you need to feel the atmosphere yourself. It is loud, full of mouth-watering scents, and the greatest collection of fresh ingredients you can find in London. It is an experience, not just a market. Go hungry and leave happy. The superstar of Borough Market and the second best sandwich of this list could not be any other than the black pig sandwich. I don't even know where to start with this one. Shredded slow-cooked pork, so tender that it melts in your mouth, smothered in a rich cheese sauce, all piled into a fresh roll. It's messy, it's indulgent, and it's everything you want in a sandwich. If I haven't convinced you yet, just know that I cannot stand the smell or taste of truffle, but their sauce is my only exception. Just trust me and order it. You cannot leave Borough Market without trying a pie. I know that everyone will tell you about the sausage roll, but Pie Minister is a place to go. Their chicken and leek pie is next level. Crispy buttery pastry on the outside, creamy flavor pack filling on the inside. It's a kind of pie that makes you close your eyes and enjoy every bite. Of course, no visit is complete without dessert, and Humble Crumble delivers. Their classic hot custard crumble is like a cozy sweet hug, warm, gooey, and topped with crunchy crumbles. I love adding hazelnuts for extra texture, but you can also try the cold version. Think crumble meets ice cream. Pro tip, start with the traditional, it's pure comfort. Bonus, you can also find Humble Crumble at Spitalfields, Seven Dials and Camden Markets. Next stop, Camden Market. Camden is not just a market, it is a vibe, it is a style, it is a way of life. While Borough is the foodist classic, Camden is the cool, chaotic, rockstar sibling. Here, you don't just eat, you experience. vintage treasure hunting, underground art, unique buildings, the soulful hum of street performers, and yes, that iconic Amy Winehouse statue keeping you watch. With the Regent Canal gliding by, it is as much as a feast for the eyes as it is for the stomach. But let's talk food, because Camden Market is next level. You can spend days going around and trying new things. My non-negotiable order, the Malai chicken from cheesy naan melt. Picture this, golden flaky naan stuffed with juicy spiced Malai chicken, then loaded with stretchy melted cheese. That is equal parts crispy and creamy. It's rich, it's messy, it's addictive. The kind of dish that make you immediately plan your next visit. Camden is a must, this naan, and eat that your foodie self didn't know it had. Next stop, a market even older than Borough. Greenwich holds a special place in my heart. It's a rare corner of London that feels like the countryside. Every visit feels like an escape. I love strolling past the iconic Caddy Shark, wandering through the grounds of the Maritime Academy, and losing myself in the greenery of Greenwich Park and the Royal Observatory. The historic Trafalgar Tower, with its colourful flags fluttering in the breeze, always adds a touch of charm to the scene. But the real highlight for me is the local food markets. And yes, I use plural because there are three distinct ones. There is a modern one under Caddy Shark every weekend. There is the main one which is a vibrant hub of global flavors, unique souvenirs and stylish clothes. And then there is my favorite one, the small satellite food market next to the main market. Among all the delicious options, one stands out. This is the best sandwich of this list, the Cuban sandwich from thelatinbros. I always go for their chicken Cuban. Roasted chicken, ham, smoked cheese, caramelized onions in a balsamic production, gherkins, and their signature mayo infused with coriander and lime. The combination of flavor is so rich and complex that just describing it makes my mouth water. It's not just a sandwich, it is a masterpiece of flavor, a culinary experience that stands out as the absolute best in London. I am completely obsessed. Next stop in the City of London, if you ever find yourself near Barbican, don't miss White Horse Market, open Monday to Saturday from 11:45 to 2. It is a bustling lunch spot for busy Londoners, so you can imagine the incredible variety on offer. My absolute go-to is the mac and cheese with pulled pork from Smoking Aces. My top tip, arrive early to make sure you don't miss out the best dishes from this fantastic food market. But markets don't only exist in central London. Our next stop in your way to the stunning Kew Gardens. Coming from the station, you will pass through the charming Kew Village Market, open every Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I tried their tiramisu and now I am completely hooked. It's creamy, sweet, and absolutely divine. If you haven't tried it yet, it's a must. Don't think though that this is lacking on food markets. Next stop, Nettle Market, a true foodie hidden gem, tucked away in Hackney and open all week long. If you're a bagel lover, you absolutely have to try Bagel guys. Their bake is a game changer. Picture this, sticky crispy bacon and Bodenka-style folded egg, melted cheese and their signature house sauce, all piled into a fresh bagel. It is addicting. Talking of bagels, I can't fail to mention Bagel Bake on Brink Lane, one of London's most iconic bakeries, established in 1947. Open 24/7, this place is a trademark for bagel lovers. While their brisket bagel gets all the fame, I always order Southern fried chicken and Philadelphia cream cheese on a warm, fresh bagel. It's pure comfort in every bite. And while you're there, explore Brick Lane Market, famous for its vintage shops, legendary curry houses, and incredible Indian restaurants. It's a destination that truly deserves a spot on your London itinerary. Our next stop, just steps from Covent Garden, tucked away in the heart of London, lies Seven Dials Market, a charming covered market you can enjoy year-round. The atmosphere alone is worth the visit, but my personal highlight, beyond the incredible selection of sweet treats, including the legendary humble Crumble, is Bad Boy Pizza Society. Here you can indulge in an authentic New York-style pizza, by the slice or a whole pie, topped with creative and unique flavors. I tried 3 slices that caught my eye, and every single one was unforgettable. If you love pizza, this place is a must. Our last stop has to be special, and believe me it is. If you're spending a day at the beautiful Elizabeth Olympic Park and wandering beside the scenic canals, you will come across Hackney Bridge, a lively spot filled with street food vendors, bars and cafes. My personal favorite here is Bovine Burger, home to what I consider the best smash burger in London. Trust me, it takes every ounce of my willpower not to place an order right now, because thankfully they also offer delivery. My choice from the burger is the Bovine Burger, which of course it lives up to its name in every delicious way. This was London Spoiled, and this was my ultimate list of London street food. I will be waiting for your comments, especially if you think that there were hidden gems that I have missed. I really want to know which was your favorite from my list and how many of them you didn't know about.